Welcome to Wavenet Product 101. In this video, we will be covering the Wavenet Surface Mounting Boxes from the SMB series. The Wavenet mounting boxes are designed to suitable for all surface mounting applications. Compatible with varieties of modular keystone connectors. And come with 2 self-taping screws and double-sided adhesive tape. The Wavenet Surface Mounting Boxes are available in different variations. We offer our boxes in 1 port, 2 ports, 4 ports, and 6 ports. These ports options are unloaded and fully configurable. Available in white and ivory color that match and fit with any decor. Lightweight build for easy assembly and installation. The Wavenet standard mounting box come with a snap-in feature that can easily connect the top and body, allows a snug and easy assembly. With the double-sided tape come at the bottom for a quick and secure installation. The box's housing base are fully compatible to support variety of keystone jacks, including Wavenet SDJ and HDJ series. These mounting boxes not only is ideal for a clean and simple solutions for all network expansion and needs, but its compact design is also perfect for space saving in surface mounting applications. The Wavenet mounting boxes can be easily and securely applied using either its double-sided tape or the self-tapping screws, depend on the surface you are working with. With the box constructed to use as punch-down base for a better stabilization during connecting and termination. These boxes support all voice and data applications in offices, household, or any other surface mounting environments as users needed. For more details on listing information, visit our website at wavenetcable.com or contact your sales and customer service representative at 1-888-492-8363.